Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to insert the SIM card on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, with the SIM card inserted, you can access various network services, such as voice calls, text messaging, mobile data, and multimedia messaging or MMS. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, locate the SIM card tray at the top of the phone, and then take the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone, or you can use a small paper clip. Next, you can insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole and apply gentle pressure to eject the tray. Once the SIM card tray is ejected, carefully remove it from the phone. So now place your SIM card into the appropriate slot on the SIM card tray. After that, insert the SIM card tray back into the phone, ensuring it aligns properly with the slot. And gently push the tray back into the phone until it is securely in place. Okay, now your device should recognize the SIM card, and you should be able to use it for calls, messages, and data. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to insert the SIM card on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.